Ready to excite your students with computer science and AI? In this lesson called Skateboard Stunts, students will learn how to use AI computer vision to program movements in an interactive Lego model. And we'll kick it off with a big question to spark curiosity. What tricks can a skateboarder do? We will explore this through the computer science concepts, AI, and data. The question is tied to a real-life example, how AI and sensor data are used by sports scientists to improve athletic performance. In groups of 4, each student picks a minifigure, which indicates their roles in the collaborative building process. Students will build the skateboarder and a bench and make predictions about a piece of code. Then it's time to get hands-on with coding. Groups will open coding canvas, enter their PIN, and connect their hardware. The coding canvas will have some simple pre-built code, making it easy to get started. Students take turns in front of the camera to try to make the skateboarder jump over the bench. Coding canvas can detect the y-coordinate of their nose. When the student jumps, the skateboarder will jump. Students will discuss how they programmed the skateboarder to respond to their movements. Group members take turns building and coding, so everyone gets hands-on. One pair builds more objects for the skateboarder to jump over, and the other pair modifies the code to perform new tricks, changing the values or the body part being tracked. Students then present their skateboard trick and code to the class. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to say, I can use body sensing blocks in a program. I can describe how AI body sensing blocks generate data. I can modify a program using body sensing blocks. This is the third out of 4 lessons in the AI and data unit. In the following lessons, students explore how computers learn from data and use the camera as input. In the end, they can apply what they have learned through an open-ended design challenge. All materials for this lesson can be found on the LEGO Education Teacher Portal, lesson plan, ready-to-use classroom presentation and facilitation notes. No extra prep time needed.